Well, African people who are descendants still living on these islands that we call the Gullah Geechee Islands, which stretch from North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, we find retentions of African culture. Now, you might not see the dresses, you might not see the drumming, the language, but you're going to find the food, which is most important with culture. So we have to share the food ways with our children. And you're going to find the family. You're going to find people living together. I ain't say they've been peaceful the whole time.
And they do.
But they've been living together.
And they.
Long time. Okay, so that's traditional African culture. So when people ask me, well, you just got back from Africa, what did you see? I saw what they took from us.
There we go.
I saw what they took from us here in America, and that's family. Family is not necessarily somebody you're born with, or somebody who's your blood. Family is the person who requires something from you. And so people always say, well, what do you think about Christianity? I say it's a great religion. We should all practice it. In Africa, you will find people practicing the root
Absolutely.
of what we call Christianity in America.
Which is where it began.
They ain't got nothing, but they give you everything.
Right.
And that is the root of all religions.
Absolutely.
The root of all cultures is to supply for each individual a safe place to lay their head, a dry place, water, and food. And we have plenty of land to do that here. And so I beg us to fight, continue to be a part of these small gatherings, because from these small gatherings grow the large ones. And it's going to grow large.
Yes,
It's gonna
much.
grow large.
Yes.
Already.
Ashe.
People all over the world know that word Gullah Geechee now.
And they do.
Yeah.
And they.
Many years ago, we've been shamed.
For truth.
We wouldn't stand out in this yard just dressed like this.
Okay.
All them Geechee talking.
Okay.
Stop talking like that.
Look here.
You know? But now, it's not just popular, it's time
It's
that
time.
the ancestors rise.
Absolutely.
Again. And so we want to thank Mama Queen Quet for bringing us here. Me and my members of the Royal Court from Oyatunji Village. And just as she said, they ain't been in nowhere to put no village at.
And they.
The spirit done tell them.
Lead them.
And I always tell people when they come to this area, whether I'm going to give you a tour of the islands or the village, I let them know the spirit called us down
Yes.
there. They most ain't know nothing.
Ain't nothing tall,
They ain't
though.
know nothing tall. They went to Savannah,
And they. And they.
North Carolina.
That thing ain't been a walk out there.
And then they ended up, they didn't choose it, South Carolina, the Gullah Geechee ancestors,
Yes.
the people who toiled on these plantations. It was hundreds of thousands and millions
Yes.
of bodies that we're walking on.
Yes.
They continue to be unearthed.
Yes.
From the Tamale plantation, Huspa plantation, Reyes Island plantation, Tulafini plantation, Pocataligo plantation, all the plantations.
Yes.
Don't forget the gated communities too.
That's where they are now. All the way his name is get it. All them get
They
it.
go run.
Yeah.
And they go run all them.
African people work those areas.
Yep, French
And
on.
they said, look, y'all African people from New York, y'all looking for something to do, come here to the
Come
Gullah
here.
It's about to take off.
And they.
Ever since then, we've had the Gullah Festival.
Yes.
We've had the emergence of the Heritage Festival.
Yep,
And so we
Heritage
have
Day.
to support our festivals and
Yes.
engagements and marriages and dress African, bring African clothes, bring African wear, bring the market.
Yes.
Because we have to exchange goods with each other. We all
Absolutely.
got the money, so let's get it from each other.
And it. Ashe. Ashe. That Thomas, take that from me. Oba, thank you for the words. And Oba just did a good plug too. That's right. Because this is the last St. Helena Island Community Market for this month. Then we take a break, so to speak, in July, but that is because the final week of July is Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. That whole week, from July 29th, and y'all can pick up the flyers around the table, when we kick off at Mosquito Beach. If you ain't know where it up, meet with y'all and follow me up there. All right? It's right off of James Island. Solid Green, then Skeeter Beach. One of the last remaining black-owned beach townships. Gullah Geechee-owned beach townships that the city of Charleston has been trying to annex. Folly Beach has been trying to annex. They have wanted to get it off so that they could have paradise. before you get to Folly Beach Bridge. But them children tell me about them. And I say, you know the queen can't stand for that under my one. So we done switch the energy around over. We pour libation so that all that shooting and killing stop. All that foolishness stopped it. Now drums and things playing.
Okay.
People coming out to the juke joint still now.
Good.
But ain't nobody shooting and killing and robbing.
Okay.
People coming out having a good time. Like you used to have back on in the 30s when it formed the place for all a week. When the other rest of people said they ain't been want to be where we did. Now everybody want to be where we did.
All right.
But then it get there and won't get we out of there. So we have for six and we pledge and support one another. So from that day all the way around till we come back right here, from St. Helena, the first weekend in August will be the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. This year is over. Guess who going to be Hunter to give me the proclamation? Because all give a proclamation like the mayors and the county councils of the entire coast. Guess who the first one giving them to me this year? Hilton Head Island.
All right.
And normally, they send their yarn in the mail. They don't do like the other rest of counties and have reception for the queen and have me in the county council chambers and have them on the TV, you know. They do them on the low. But now after all these years, they're the first one email said, Queen Quinn, we would like you to attend. All right. Next week, the town council meeting on Hilton. They write your steady act, is anybody other than Queen Quinn coming? They said, well, for right now, Queen Quinn and one or two others coming. But I said, but by Saturday when I announce them, the whole of we coming. We need to fill up the town hall at Hilton Head with wheat. Next week at 5 o'clock Tuesday evening, I believe. I got double check. Because I got Jasper County to give me one.
That's right, we
They'll
got you.
give me the next one.
Right.
All right. So Monday and Tuesday, I getting 2 proclamations this month. Then next month, all the rest of them. North Carolina done contact me, said, please, please come here. Because I never get to North Carolina to get one in hand. Because they always had it meeting the same time as one in South Carolina. So they won't be fussing the line too. So all of them now don't celebrate just Gullah Geechee culture or the Gullah Geechee food or the language. They say they're celebrating with the Gullah Geechee nation.
All right.
So if people say, well, great God, when they see the videos, they say, how you do that? I said, I ain't do nothing. God do this shit. Because they been mean up for evil. God mean up for good.
All right.
Why did I do this? Because in North Sea, around the world, people are support who we be. It on see. Don't think they ain't watching. They watch my Facebook more than 100 children watching Facebook. They see we getting together. And they say, great God, the Gullah Geechee ain't going tall, any Gullah boy.
You better know it.
They say they right here for stay. So we better act like we know something and celebrate with them. If they don't celebrate who they done, we want to celebrate who they done. But that's only because we do a fuss. Ain't nobody going to respect Hunter more than you respect us.
That's right.
So because we respect one another, because we honor who we done, that's why God make them so. The entire Gullah Geechee nation, from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation. So all 100 children better get your t-shirt and thing, get your clothing, get your drum, get your tambourine, that whole week. Support your businesses. Spend your money, go on the tours, buy your books, celebrate who you done. Wine and shout to the prayers house if you ain't been there in a while. That is time for rejuvenate your spirit. So when we come back here the first weekend of August, that Saturday we're going to be right here in the market and right here in St. Helena Library for a Gullah Geechee Reunion Day. So if you got family and things going on from home, tell them that when they need to come home. Because they need to be here for an aunt reunion. That Sunday, we all going to the Atlantic Ocean. And we plan to have the biggest drumming and libation ceremony of the African diaspora that was ever held in the world. 3 o'clock that Sunday. So you can go to church, come out, and make them down to the north side of the beach.
How you gonna get get all this information out?
It's out.
It's out?
It's been out for a
It's on
year.
the website?
It's on the website for a year.
Yeah.
Gullah.info. Flyers right there, everything.
It's
I
out.
just let you know to your face. Because I know we like to crack with teeth, but you pass them on. So follow we at Gullah Geechee on Twitter, Instagram, it's always on there. Follow Gullah Geechee Nation, it's on there. GullahGeechee.info. And more gonna be coming out more and more and more now. Because this year the Black Music Month, that's when we really put the push in. Because it's a Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. And we don't want people confusing them with the Gullah Festival. So when that ends, we do the big push for we on.
Okay.
Because soon as they get in Gullah, they think, just like they said, but black people are all alike.
Yeah.
Everything ain't the same thing. Gullah Fest a short name. Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, that a long name. How you think it is the same thing?
It just say Gullah.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
just
get
say
it Gullah.
It
Your
just
ears
say
closed
Gullah.
after that.
Gullah.
So we learned that in over a decade of doing this shit. So that's why we do them now. So we all gather together. So thing for the children and the family, everything going on. But we take it to all 100 children.
Take it.
What a support this year market every month. So when that thing roll back around August, that could be the first one for August, and then we back to the first and the third Saturday. Every first and third Saturday, 10 to 3, come right out your with you. Even if you say, y'all, I ain't got no money this year, Dad. Come out here anyway.
Yeah, you know I
Come and be with your family, any job.
Hey, Mom, you know I come.
I know you be here. I know you do. You live here. You're right behind that tree on it. So, we want the family always be together. And what we say, let it circle how?
Not be broken.
That's right. Let the circle be
Unbroken.
unbroken. So let me let that brother back in there. And one more time, let us say, Ashe,
Ashe.
Ashe,
Ashe.
Ashe,
Ashe.
And now let's do Harambe. Harambe means let's pull together.
Pull
So
together.
You put up here. Harambe.
Hey.
Harambe.
Hey.
Harambe.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wonderful.